in HTML is a crucial aspect of modern web development, aimed at creating websites that provide an optimal viewing experience across a wide range of devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones. As users increasingly access content on various screen sizes, the need for flexibility in web layouts has become paramount. Responsive design involves using fluid grids, flexible images, and CSS media queries to adapt the web page's appearance based on the screen size and orientation. This approach not only enhances usability but also improves site performance and accessibility, ultimately leading to a better user experience. In this introduction, we will explore the principles and techniques that make responsive design an essential component of effective web design. Hi guys! We have already created this animated website design using HTML and CSS in my previous video. But if I open this website on a small screen, you can see it is not responsive for mobile devices. So in this video, we will learn how to make this website responsive using CSS media queries. If you have not watched that video, please click on the link given in the description and watch. Now let's start to make this website responsive. This is my project folder, and here I have one HTML file and one CSS file. Let me open my text editor. You can see this is the HTML file for the animated website, and this one is the CSS file. Now let's come to the HTML file. In the head tag, let's add a meta tag for the viewport. You need to add this tag in the head section of your HTML file. After that, I will refresh the website. You can see some changes. The text looks very big on a small screen. So we have to reduce the size of this text for mobile devices. Let's go back to the CSS file and scroll down to add a media query for screens that are 600 pixels wide or smaller. In this media query, we will adjust the font size and line height for the H1 tag to make it more suitable for small screens. Next, the vertical sidebar is appearing on the right side, and we want to move it to the bottom and make it horizontal. We'll change the sidebar's width to 100% and set the height to 50 pixels. We'll also adjust its position to be at the bottom of the screen. After making these changes, the sidebar should now be positioned at the bottom. However, the icons are still aligned to the left, so we will add some flexbox properties to center the icons and distribute them evenly. Now, we need to address the social links and useful links, which currently use absolute positioning. We will remove this absolute positioning and set their width to auto to ensure they display correctly on small screens. Finally, let's adjust the CSS for the menu icon to ensure it is responsive as well. With these adjustments, your website should be more responsive and user-friendly on smaller screens. Copy the CSS for the sidebar and add it to the media query. Now we will change the width to 18 pixels and set the margin to 0. After making these changes, refresh the website. You can see that the bottom section looks good now. Next, let's change the background. The background image appears too zoomed in. We have a hero section where we added the background image, so let's go back to the media query. Here, we will target the hero class and add a linear gradient as the background. We'll specify the first and second color codes to create the gradient. After adding this, if we refresh the website, you'll see that the background now has a plain linear gradient color, with no image. If you want to use a different image for smaller screens, you can do that too. In my project folder, I have a vertical image that works well for small screens, while the original image displays in full screen. Let's add the URL for the new image in the media query. After applying this change, refresh the website again, and you'll see the different image for small devices. Now the web page looks good on mobile. If you want to add different CSS for tablet devices, you can create another media query. For tablets, we can set a max width of 900 pixels and a minute width of 600 pixels. Any CSS properties you add in this media query will only apply to devices with widths between 600 and 900 pixels. This is how you can use CSS media queries to make any website responsive. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.